run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive?
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell close to it so you're notified each time I upload a video. But to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. I really do appreciate you all. So today's video, of course, is a makeup video, and like I told you guys, you're gonna see glitter on this channel as much as possible right until I'm sure winter, because I just have so much glitter and I'm gonna try every color. So I was going for a brown smoky eye and just a touch of glitter, and it came out like this, and I'm feeling myself. I hope you like it. If you want to see how I achieve this look, which is actually super easy, trust me guys, not like the other ones that I say are easy but then they're a little bit difficult. This one is actually super easy, few steps, and very achievable. If you want to see how I created this look, just stay put, watch, and yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye guys. So for my eyeshadow base today, I'm gonna go in with this contour shade here from my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm just gonna use this as a base. I'll apply it all over my lid, and then going into my Makeup Geek palette, I'm gonna use this dark brown shade and I'll apply it all over my lid on the area where I applied the base. So guys, the last video I just recorded on my channel, the top 5 celebrities that have a very cute fashion sense. I had so much fun. I had that idea on my mind for the longest time and I was just lazy to make that video. So yeah, and I'm happy that so many people responded. So this look is actually really easy with very few steps. As you can see, it's a brown smoky eye that I'm going for. So now I'm gonna go in first of all with cherry color, which is this dark burgundy shade here, and this is just gonna serve as a transition color and also to blend the harsh lines. This is the first transition color that I want to use, just to blend any harsh lines here. So guys, I have a whole video that is coming up on my channel, and this video it's actually a PR box, and this time around I was sent clothes. You know, when I think about it, I'm like, wow, I'm one lucky girl. You know, how many subscribers do I have? Like, I'm just so grateful. I'm really grateful. So I have a PR unboxing that will be coming up very soon. But this is not from a company. This is from an individual, a Cameroonian lady who is into fashion, and she has fashion stores in Cameroon, and she actually sells the items too here. And she's actually, why do I keep saying actually, she's based in France. So I don't want to say anything because I've not seen the clothes, I've not touched the quality, but I just wanted to give you guys like, just to let you guys know so you can anticipate. The next color I'm going in with is Cocoa Bear and Morocco. Like, Morocco is a beautiful orange shade and Cocoa Bear is kind of a brick shade. So I'm mixing both colors still with the same brush, just to warm up my crease a little bit. And to set my brow bone, I'll first go in with this shade right here, my favorite shade to set my brow bone with, and this is from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I just love to use this color to set my brow bone because it's not too harsh, it's almost the same as my skin. So of course this look is very basic. If I'm gonna leave it like this, then I'm not ready for summer. We're gonna go in now with some glitter. And actually the glitter that I'm using is not from any brand. I got this from a drugstore, and I just saw a glitter that was cheap. I'm going in with my glitter glue from NYX, of course, and I'll just apply the glitter glue on the middle part of my eye because I don't want the glitter to be everywhere. Okay, this color is perfect with this dark brown shade. This glitter color is perfect. I just realized that I was really far away from the camera, and yeah, I just applied the glitter on my eyes. Then I'll go in and give myself a wing line. One thing I don't like about this glitter is that there's a lot of fallout, but you know, we can always manage that kind of situation. So I'm using my Maybelline Master Ink. I'm gonna quickly pop on my lashes, and then as usual off camera I'll be back. But I have a video on my channel on how to wing your eyes and apply falsies, so if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link to that video down below in the description bar. I can't talk today, don't know why. So for my primer today, I'm going in with my Maybelline Mattifying Primer. And as usual, I'm going to follow my new favorite routine where I go in first with my concealer, and I'm using my Pro Longwear concealer from MAC in NC45. I'm just going to apply this to all the areas that I wish to highlight. And the reason why I like this particular routine is because it's very easy to, like, at the end have a perfect finish, a flawless finish with no harsh lines. So I'm going in now with my contour, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the darkest shade, the same shade that I used as a primer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my contour. I know I look very crazy, but I'm going in now with my foundation, and I'm using my Lancome Teint Idole in the shade. What's the shade of this foundation that I'm using? Is it 13 or something? And since I already have my concealer on my face, I'll go in with a very small amount, just a single pump of the product. I already had so much product on my face, there was no need for me to go in with too much foundation. I went in just with a single pump, and I still have some of the foundation left on my hand. So I'm going to set my under eyes now with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to set all the areas that I highlighted before. Going back to my under eyes, I'm first of all going in with a black eyeliner. Then going into my makeup geek palette, I'm gonna use Cocoa Bear and Morocco. For my inner tear duct, I'm going into my Lemonade highlighter palette from Lena Lashes, and I'll use this beautiful gold shade here to bring some light into my inner tear ducts. And now I'm gonna dust off the excess powder on my face, and then I'll just go in with some blush from MAC Film Noir, and then after that I'm gonna try to bring out my lower lashes. To highlight my face, I'm using my Lemonade highlighter palette. I'm gonna set my entire face with my NYX setting spray, and then I'll go in with my Skylar Glam Liquid Lippy in Dreams first. And now I'm going in with this lip gloss from MAC. So this is the final look, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys love the video. I hope you like this look like I do, because I'm actually feeling myself. And my hair is giving me all kinds of goals. Like, it's very, very obedient today. Anyways, my hair is always obedient. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Tell me whatever kind of video you want me to put out here, and I'm gonna do my best to deliver to you guys. Thank you for watching once more. Stay pretty, stay slaying, and until my next video, goodbye. Always smile, guys.